see it. Dang. I don't come out here enough anymore. I have 2 cameras out here. Out here at Farview Nature Park. See if I got any action on this guy. Alright. Man. Gotta mark my trail better leaving here. Alright. Well, someone came out here and stole my trail cam. About $140. They had to come out with a cable cutter or something because I had them cabled right up against this tree. You see what I wore it a little bit, moving things around. That's a bummer. Shoot. And I was just coming to take it down. Thieves. Oh well.